clear accent table stand to go like in your bathroom. I'm gonna use mine to store the bath bombs, the soap and Epsom salt, things of that nature. So y'all, what we're gonna use is these 3 mirrors that I purchased from Michaels. They're the rectangular mirrors, and this mirror right here is from a previous project. So I'm just gonna keep the Chanel on there. We're gonna use some glue sticks, our glue gun. We're gonna use these Christmas balls that I purchased from Amazon. We're gonna use these. You can use E6000 if you'd like for a stronger hold. We're gonna use some clear washable glue, Dollar Tree napkin rings. Okay, everybody, and we're gonna use our Chanel little stickers, or they're not stickers, but they were made from the Cricut machine. And so we're gonna go ahead and get started. First, we're gonna push our mirrors out the way so we can work on our stands. So what we're gonna do is take these balls right here and our rings. We're gonna just go ahead and like get a good, place for them to be. And all we're gonna do is take the napkin rings, put our glue on the napkin rings. And try to get it in the center as much as possible. Y'all know I eye everything. So hopefully that's straight enough. We're gonna add another napkin ring to the top. And like I said, we're gonna try to get it as straight as we can. I'm not gonna promise y'all that it's gonna be straight, but I'm gonna try. So we're gonna put another thing of glue on here. And we're gonna center it as much as we can in the middle. About 8 of these, and then we're going to take these right here, and we're only going to do like 1 here. So we're going to make about 8 of these and only 4 of these. Okay, so what we're going to do is take our mirror, turn it over, and we're going to glue the Christmas balls on the bottom of the mirror. So here we go. Like I said, if you need it to be more sturdy, then you can use some E6000. Okay, so all we're gonna do is turn it over and let it sit, and we can finish the rest of the project. So what we're gonna do is take our other fixed balls, the ornaments, I mean the Christmas balls, and we're gonna just glue them on top of the um the glass, I mean the mirror. So So I'm gonna let you look at it from another angle. I am gonna put this in my bedroom, well, my bathroom that's in my bedroom, but I'm not going to show you all just yet because I am going to do a bedroom reveal next week. I'm going to do a hair room reveal next week, and I'm also going to do a guest bathroom reveal next week. I'm going to try, y'all, to get all three of them in. So I'm just going to show you in another angle how this is going to look. Glamfam, so this is how it turned out. I really like it. And also the Christmas balls, you can put some gems or something in there, and I may do that later. I thought about it later, but you can put something in there to give it a more glam look. But I'm liking this clear look right now, so I hope you all like it. And if you do, what do? You like, comment, and subscribe to my channel for more DIYs. Y'all have a blessed day.